We're going to give you a little trick today. I know all you people are buying this stuff and putting this stuff down in your houses. It's great stuff, especially for people that have pets with ruined floors or damaged 3/4 inch floors in our older homes. There's different products, and my contractor here, Andy, what type of floor are we putting down today?
Luxury vinyl plank.
And this is just one type of flooring, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you can see how he's been working through the room and he's trying to prep the floor. And I guess this whole video is going to be a trick. And the trick is a transition. Usually people don't know how to do transitions. Transitions are tough because sometimes you have tile in bathrooms, or you'll have linoleum with a subfloor, so you have to move it up. And what are you going to do? You're going to bring your new flooring right up to it, and then you're going to have to buy one of these things that you stub your toe on. Basically, these are shims, and you can cut the shims as needed. Here we had a 1/4 inch subfloor with the linoleum, and this linoleum floor is approximately 21 years old. And instead of gluing it down, which you have to wait, and no one's got time for the glue to dry, and who's going to try to nail down shims? You ever try to nail down a shim? Well, it's going to split. And so duct tape is great. You could buy good tape or cheap tape. If you buy better tape, chances are it'll stick better. And you only really care about once the floor is down. The duct tape isn't going to move. The shims aren't going to move. There's no way they're going to be able to move. And so basically this is repairing a differential elevation within like 3 minutes. And now we could just floor. And if you notice later, if I do another video, you'll see how this laminate flooring will go right over this and transition into this room, making it look very monolithic. Are the shims we used. Okay. If you notice what shims look like, they get thin and get thicker. And then we used this specialty tape. It's special tape. Some people call it, what do they call this special tape?
Duct tape.
Duct tape. It's not with a D-U-C-K, it's with a duct. Now look at this transition. You can see how smooth it is. It's just nice, smooth right up, and you can't even tell where the splice was at. There's your shims and duct tape. You can buy transition stuff and spend all day on it, or you could buy those tripping things that will trip. So here's what you saw earlier. That's a transition. You can't even tell. I mean, it's like, I'll put the phone down low for you, and you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it. There is no, you can't even tell, can you? And there's a transition point here. Same thing, where we used, earlier videos, we used the shims and duct tape.